It's lovely. And Big Daddy salad. I can't swallow it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and this is what I eat in a weekend while practicing intuitive eating, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. Friday morning breakfast, I wanted to have an oatmeal bowl. I could have just said oatmeal. I haven't had oatmeal in so long, but I wanted to have oatmeal with blueberries and banana, and I just made my oatmeal from these packets. They are instant oatmeal packets with like quinoa, flaxseed, a bunch of good whole grains that help you poop, and then I put hot water in it because I'm not gonna like put it on the stove top or anything. It's instant oatmeal. So then I did that. I stirred it around, added blueberries, stirred it more, and then I added my banana and then coconut flakes and more fresh blueberries, and it was a delicious filling breakfast for the cold day. It's a rainy day. I have my warm bowl of oatmeal. Do you hear the rain? It's lovely. And I haven't had oatmeal in forever. And my dad's saying that sweet boy needs to eat. Late afternoon, I always get hungry, so I snacked on some dill pickle chips, and they are so freaking good. I didn't expect it at all. For lunch, I wanted a Big Daddy bowl of salad, so then I had my vegan sausage and mushrooms that I sauteed on the pan, and then I fried up an egg on the side because I wanted more protein. So I added my arugula to a bowl. I topped it with some lemon juice because I don't have dressings, and then I added the vegan sausage and mushroom saute, the fried egg on the side, and then balsamic vinegar with sriracha. Big Daddy salad. Let's take a bite. Okay. Very good. After work, I did a 3-mile run, and this is the only clip I have from it, but then I hung out with my friend Ashlyn. We got boba, we got sushi. I took home the sushi and I ate it, and it was so good, although being from Safeway. Saturday morning, I wanted to start my day with a workout, so I got dressed. And then I hopped on my new treadmill that I just got, and I ran 3 miles. I stretched, and then I called it a day. The OGs know what's going down. It's gonna be my classic egg scramble. This one is a little simpler. It's just spinach and egg and Swiss cheese. I just sauteed the egg and spinach together, threw on Swiss cheese at the end, and let it melt. And it was so good, so simple, and delicious. So my family got a rotisserie chicken from Costco, and I cut a little bit off, and I'm going to eat a little piece of chicken. My mom's laughing at me, and this is going to be my first time having chicken in over a year, like any sort of meat. This is my first time having meat in over a year, and I'm doing it for my health because I'm balding. My nails are like always like turning purple because I'm too cold. I don't have enough blood circulation, and my blood results say nothing's wrong, but physically I'm balding and I'm always cold, although the heat is on. So I'm just gonna try and eat meat again and see if it helps my health, because when I was the healthiest I was eating meat. So this past year without eating meat, I've like lost so much hair. It's insane. I'm like balding. But anyway, I'm kind of scared.
Just give it a try.
I'm scared. I can't.
Just give it a try, a little by little, not too big piece, small piece. Small piece.
I can't swallow it.
Enjoy it?
No, I can't even swallow it.
Just make yourself do it.
Tastes like chicken. Oh my god, I feel bad.
Taste?
No, because like there's vegan versions of chicken.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, bye. I saw this ice cream on TikTok and it is 317 calories, the whole pint, and 20 grams of protein, so I had some of that. And then I had more of my pickle chips because they're so good. And then for dinner, my mom made this delicious pot of glass noodles, shrimp, kimchi. It's a delicious spicy noodle dish basically. And then she had some cauliflower on the side and I ate that and it was so freaking good. Sunday, I wanted an avocado toast because I haven't had it in so long. So I just smashed my avocado on my sourdough bread and I had a hard-boiled egg that I sliced and topped on top of the avocado toast, added some sriracha and blueberries and raspberries on the side, and it was so delicious. For a snack, I had half of a Honeycrisp apple, and these are my favorite type of apples. They're so good and crunchy. And for lunch, my mom was making homemade wontons, and I shit you not, I haven't had one of her wontons in like over a year because I was pescatarian, I wasn't eating meat, and I haven't had them in so long, so I needed to try them again. So I had that for lunch. And it was really good, and it was just comfort food to the max. As a late afternoon snack, I had some rice crackers and that cheese, I forgot what brand that is. And then I had some more cheese. I had some Swiss cheese and turkey because I'm starting to eat meat again. And then my dad made these like Chinese eggs with like good soy sauce and like wine, and it was so good. And then I had some bok choy and they were really good. I grew up not liking bok choy, but as I'm older I've learned to appreciate it, and Sweet Boy was in on the action. After dinner I had a Celsius, and then I watched 50 First Dates while I did 12, 3, 30, and I did that and it was great. And then I did a little arm workout because your girl's trying to tone her arms.